this is a warning. In the next few days, market volatility will be crazy. And if you don't know how to trade, you might break your account. Hey traders, welcome to We Trade Waves weekly Forex forecast. Guys, I hope all of you are doing well and ready for today's video. As usual, I'll cover for you all the lists that you can see the right side of the screen, the XY dollar index as usual, Euro dollar, pound dollar, gold, all the way down to US oil, Bitcoin, US30, and S&P 500. For this one, guys, like I said to you, next week, in the next few days, all eyes are on the 17th of September, which is this one here, okay? Because they want to see what Fed will be doing, will they cut rates, for how much, 25, 50 basis points, and what Powell will say after that, because I believe that all the volatility or the direction will be in this one in the press conference. What he will say will be dovish in the speech, what will be happening here, what he will mention, all of this will be here. Because again, I'll not go into details because all of these events will be discussed in detail by T tomorrow during the Sunday session for you to know what trades to take, what directions, and what are the trades of the week, of course. So for this one, I'm emphasizing on this because again, this is the most important, I would say, event next week in terms of the news. And of course, you can see we have CAD, we have pound, we have Aussie, we have yen. All of these ones, guys, they will cause volatility in the market. That's why I'm saying it's a warning. If you don't know how to trade, you might break your account, okay? So for this one, back to the charts, the XY market went to the upside. Last week, I said to you, and I gave you the hint indirectly that market will give us this drop, and then after that, this up wave. I said to you indirectly that market will break this low, and then up again. If you trade this one, you must have made money. And proof for that, of course, if I go to this one here, just to show you the before, this was last week's forecast. It's 6 days ago. Look at this one here, the 6 days. And by the way, guys, thanks a lot for all your likes, comments, and shares. I'm trying my best to reply to every single comment as much as I can. And for this one, again, last week, just to show you this one, look at this. I said to you here, guys, market will give us this up wave. We are focusing on the buy setups, on the up move in the short term. And market gave us this drop. Again, we broke this low here, just to show you. I'm not sure if I can zoom in. No, I cannot. So under this low, market gave us this up wave. Back to the after, which is this one here. One more drop to break this low and then up again. If you traded this up wave, you must have made money, no question. Without going into too much details about what are the news events next week, because again, this will be discussed in detail tomorrow during the Sunday session. This is for WTW Pro members. In case you want to join, guys, you know what to do. And in case you are new to We Trade Waves, this is our website here, just to show you quickly. All our official links are in the description under this video and in the first comment as well. So you can check the website, it's wetradewaves.com. And if you scroll down, you will see all the features of, again, WTW Pro. In case you want to join, these are the features and these are actually the access that you will get access to from day one, as soon as you join, okay? So of course, the Discord community, which is this one, plus again, the dashboard here where you access, you will access the basic course, masterclass, and we have added, by the way, just a quick update for WTW Pro members. We have added the Sunday live session recording here and the midweek update in this one. 2 tabs have been added. You can check it, guys, on your dashboard to see how they look like, okay? So for this one, back to the XY, in terms of the bias, in terms of direction, you know that here I give you just the bias after we do all the fundamental analysis and all the wave analysis, because again, guys, We Trade Waves concept is a combination of more than one methodology. It's based on wave analysis, but it's not purely Elliott waves. Elliott waves is just part of it, okay? So again, back to the structures, back to the chart. I go to the daily just to show you the detailed analysis of this one, what's happening, what the market is doing, and what's our point of view. So for this one, most of you know, in case you are following us since the past few months, this was the drop, this was the corrective structure, and market is falling. We're in a downtrend here, okay? So market gave us this corrective structure that we're waiting for, but after this up wave, this move, guys, is not impulsive to the downside. It's corrective. I'm not actually trying to give you any bias here. I'm trying to analyze loudly so you know actually what the market is doing and how we are thinking and how we're actually drawing the roadmap of the market to know which direction to take. So from here, if this would have been actually I would say fast move to the downside, an impulsive wave, market will fall like this. It's not doing that. This wave here, it's corrective, it's slow, which means one push up is very possibly before any next structure. What I'm trying to say here, if I zoom in, at the moment, market is giving us this corrective structure. Look at that, just to show you the details of the structure, okay? So what I'm looking at here is this point here after this up, pull back up. After that, market, instead of giving us a sharp drop to the downside, it's correcting. This move is slow, which means one push up is very possible. Now, despite this structure is very complex, it's exactly in the middle. That's why jumping in is not a wise idea. You have to wait for a complete structure. Now, I don't want to actually confuse you between all these, I would say, terminologies. I want to give you the direction. So for this one, if I get this drop and then a buy setup, I'll go for the buy setup first, okay? So first thing first, as long as the market will respect this low, I'm good to go to the upside, okay? So any buy setup under this low, I'll go for it. First thing first, the buy setup. If this will go to the upside before the decision, before 17th of September, the rate cut, here, most probably market will be falling again. But again, this where we'll see market, or this where we'll wait for market to talk to us. Again, the details, the levels, the trades of the week will be shared by T tomorrow during the Sunday session. That's why I'm saying, guys, it's a warning. If you don't know how to trade, which direction to take, you might break your account, especially if you are not a WTW Pro member. Why this important? Because we teach you how to trade correctly and we give you the rules. As example, the 4 golden rules, you should not forget them. Do not jump in, do not overtrade, do not over risk, do not trade without stop loss, and never ever add to losing position. If you do one of these mistakes, one single bad trade can wipe your account. Do you want to be in this situation? I don't think so. Only smart traders, they decide to invest in themselves before they invest in the market. That's why knowledge, guys, is very important. Get the knowledge, and then after that, you can risk whatever you want to do. You can actually risk any amount you want because we have rules, guys. If I'm saying to you this is going to the upside, and then I risk this trade to the upside, I risk this move, if I'm wrong, I'll be losing 1%. If you are jumping in, you might lose your account. That's why learning how to trade correctly is very important. It's essential. I cannot emphasize more on that, just for you to really know what to do and how to trade the next wave. You get me? Do not follow us blindly. Do not follow anyone blindly, even us. Let's put it in this way. Because if you do so, you will have a high chance of breaking your account, because you will not know what to do in case of market go against you. If you are not using stop loss, you might probably add to losing position to break even faster. And if you do that and market going against you more, you will be doubling, tripling, quadrupling your risk. Don't put yourself in this situation. Learn first before you risk your money. Again, decision is yours. I'm just advising you on what to do. I'm helping you guys and put you on the right track in case you are not actually knowing what to do, right? So for this one, again, in terms of the direction, this is what I can see before any next structure. The direction, the bias toward the upside first, especially first part of the week. After that, we'll wait for the market to give us the decision. In case we've got 50 base points cut, this we'll have a sell-off in the dollar, and this will be falling sharp, okay? Again, I'm giving you some hints. The detail will be shared in detail. I would say the details regarding the trades will be shared by T tomorrow during the Sunday session. EUR for this one, again, the same thing. Market went to the upside first, one push up, and then one more drop before the next up wave. Market is exactly in the middle. If you scalp this move, you must have made money. If not, now market is about to give us this corrective structure, one push up, one more fall before the next up wave. This is what I can see market will be doing next, guys. And again, I might be wrong. Don't follow blindly. You should know how to trade this one to maximize profits in case you are right, and to minimize losses in case you are wrong. I'm not here to tell you I'm right. I'm here to help you be on the right side of the trade, okay? So for this one, this is what I can see, like how the market will behave. Which wave to trade is up to you. First thing first, you can trade this move, and after that, market push the upside in case everything went as how we want, okay? This structure, guys, this move is slow in terms of this drop, but still, we can get this corrective structure up. In case dollar will be falling before, guys, you will see this corrective structure up here. And you can trade this one as a trend continuation pattern. We traders, you know what to do here, guys, in this one, right? As a trend continuation pattern, you know what to do in case market will not give us this corrective structure, one push up, and then a drop. In all the cases, first thing first, this up wave is high probable before the next move. Let's move it in this way, okay? Pound dollar for this one, exactly the same. Market is pushing to the upside. This was actually explained internally. So for this, again, you know, guys, this corrective structure, this drop, all of this step by step, wave by wave. I showed you the before and after for this one. This was covered inside the Q&A session for WTW Pro members regarding this move. Look at this one. I'll show you the picture. This was the before, guys, okay? And look at the after. Again, this one, guys, this is based on the knowledge that we know about how market moves. Because wave analysis is all about understanding the mass psychology of all market participants. Anything is plotted on the charts. Whatever they say on the media, anything will be plotted on the charts. This is the reality. If you know how to read the charts correctly, you will know where the market will be going next with a high probability chance. Okay, so that's why this corrective structure, it was known, this drop was known, and if you get into this buy, you must be in profits anyway. What's next? Mark gave us a small corrective structure here. It's not a drop, it's a small corrective structure and then up again. What's next? Most probably will get this up wave, corrective structure up before the next big corrective structure or the next drop. Okay, so for this one, if you're in the buy, move your stops and let the market unfold. One push up is very possible before the next structure, especially above this top. Market will be targeting this liquidity zone before the next move. Okay, gold for this one, market went to the upside. We've got this push. Instead of market giving us a corrective structure similar to this one, which was we're expecting, this turns out to be an extended wave. Okay, so market actually is pricing in the rate cut, plus again for this one, this turns out to be a pullback, not a big corrective structure. So for this, if you traded this drop to the downside as a scalping trade, you must have made money in this drop. Corrective structure and then up again. This turns out to be a pullback to liquidity grab here, not a big corrective structure similar to this one. But this will be coming, guys, all right? This corrective structure will be coming. Now, how the market is behaving here, it's again exactly in the middle. This can be a corrective structure like this, one more fall before the next up wave, which will be again the high chance move. If this happens here, and here we have the decision, market will push to the upside after 17th of September. If we get this corrective structure, guys, this will be the bigger corrective structure similar to this one before the next up wave. If not, and gold is still super bullish, market will just give us a corrective structure up, keep pushing to the upside without any pullback. This is super bullish, guys. We didn't get this corrective structure, but we will get it sooner or later. The problem is, if I'm waiting for this one here, I know how patiently I should wait for it. I know how to wait for the sell setup. For you, you might jump in just thinking that WTW said this will be falling, means I can trade this one, jump in, over risk, make money, and then after that, I'll see if I join. That mentality will just lead to account break. Never ever do that, guys. Get the knowledge first before you try to outsmart, I'd say, things. You get me? So for this one, I'm not saying I'm right or I'm wrong. I'm giving you the bias, the direction. It's up to you to trade if you know how to trade. Again, guys, trading without stop loss is suicide. And there is a lot of people who break accounts trying to trade gold without stop loss. Never ever do that. You should know how to trade. Okay, so for this one, in terms of the structure, in terms of the analysis, market will give us a corrective structure similar to this one before any next move. Ideally, if this will give us this drop before Wednesday, before Fed decision, before 17th of September, this up wave will be high probability chance move. Make sense, guys? The alternative for this one, the alternative scenario will be shared by T tomorrow, because it's very important to know the alternative way. Because if you know the alternative way for this one, you'll be able to make a lot of money trading the next wave for gold. Okay, now Aussie for this one, market is pushing to the upside. Again, this was the move after this complete corrective structure. Market went up, corrective structure up, corrective structure up. What's next for this one? Market most likely will give us a corrective structure here again like this, and if this happens before again the decision, the Fed decision, this will push to the upside. All right, Alan, what if not? What's the next scenario here? If market keep pushing to the upside like that, guys, slowly, and market will be here on the 17th of September, we'll get a drop. Okay, so depends on how the structure will evolve from now till Wednesday. We will know what will be the next move after the decision. So we know the move before the decision, and we know how the market will be moving after the rate cut and after the conference. Because again, in case you don't know, Powell is always counting on the data, on the indicators, on the economic indicators. And we will have the recession, guys, in the US most likely. But the thing is, if he wants actually to push the dollar to the upside, he can do it with one word. And if he wants to drop the dollar, he can as well do it in one word. You should understand, guys, all the macroeconomic factors, how they think, what is their role in terms to know where the market is going. Plus, if you want to learn how to correctly, the decision is yours, and that's the only solution, which is what? WTW Pro. Guys, get the knowledge, join for 1 month. If you don't like, you can cancel anytime. There is no lock-in period. but this an opportunity you should not miss. All right. So for this one, I think it's clear. Or for this one, market is going to the upside correctively, and for this one, it's still towards the upside. After that, a corrective structure. If it happens, up again. So if I want to trade the direction for this one, first part of the week, I'm looking for the sell setup. Okay. Dorian, for this one, market is pushing to the upside after this massive corrective structure. It's exactly the same thing. If this will turns out to be a corrective structure, remember we have the dollar and you have the yen decision next week. If this will be going to the upside correctively to break this top before the decisions, this will be falling once more to the downside. All right. Dollar Swiss, for this one, this is one of our trades of the week. You should be in profits, guys, if you trade this one. And by the way, I don't want to actually be, let me show you in regards to the transparency. Last week, we gave 2 trades of the week. One went into the profits and the second, we were wrong in it. Okay. So it's not always about we are always right. No, this dollar Swiss market went to the box and after that up again, you should be in profits. Pound O's, we were wrong in it. This was one of our trades of the week and we were wrong. We can say it, no problem. Okay. So it's not about being always right. It's about maximizing profits when you are right and minimizing losses when you are wrong. That's the main point, guys. Okay. So for this one, we were wrong in it. What's the point here? 1% loss. Okay. So back to this one, dollar Swiss is one of our trades of the week. You need just, guys, to manage your trades because this will push the upside first before any next structure. This might be a Swiss move, not a dollar move. In all the cases, we are biased to the upside for this one. Any buy setup we get, we'll go for it. And if you're in the buy, you just manage your trades. Okay. Up is the move. DORCAD, for this one, market actually is correcting. This is a complete structure for now for us. This one is similar to this one here. And if this will keep pushing to the upside, guys, from here to here, before the CAD and the dollar decision, this will be a big drop. Okay, so all eyes is on this one. If it will keep pushing the upside to break this one before the news, you should look for the sell setup above this top. I'm, guys, giving you some setups, some trades indirectly, so you know what to do in case you know how to trade. Okay, if not, you join to learn. USOIL, for this one, market is correcting for one more fall. What's next? Corrective structure, one more drop before the next move, most likely. Bitcoin, for this one, market is pushing to the upside after we've got this up wave, drop, corrective structure. Now for this corrective structure, one push up, and after that, a big corrective structure to start. Okay, so this is the first move of the next structure. If we get this corrective structure, this will be complex anyway. I'm not expecting any major move for the cryptocurrencies for now. At the moment, if I want to be honest with you, I'm biased to the downside. I'm not having high hopes for this one to push to the upside unless we get 50 base points cut on Wednesday, then this will shoot to the upside like crazy. Without that, I'm not saying any major move for the cryptocurrency to the upside. At the moment, I'm biased to the downside myself. Okay. USD30, for this one, market is pushing to the upside. What's next? Anytime this will give us a corrective structure, another push up, corrective structure, another push up until this will be falling with a recession. Okay. So for this one, this is an uptrend. This is pushing the upside. As you can see, this is the curving move, the curving wave that we, again, it's internally weighted waves. They know exactly what is this one. Once you see market pushing in this way, guys, to the upside, which is slow, losing momentum, most likely we'll get a drop. This and this, they are exactly the same. But the problem is we don't have a time. We don't have exact time. No one can predict the exact time. No one can predict the top. So it's not about picking the top. It's about joining the next wave. That's, guys, the importance of knowing how to trade. Joining the next wave is not about, your job is not about picking tops and bottoms. Your job is to know where the smart money is going and go with it. That's what we teach you inside, guys. That's why learning how to trade correctly is very important. For this one, exactly the same. Corrective structure up until market gives us this drop. This is what we are waiting for, guys, and this can be huge, deep, more than 10-15% drop in the stock market. I'm not actually trying to create fear. It's based on economic indicators and on data. Okay, so for this one, it's up to you what to do. It's not a financial advice. If you want to learn how to trade correctly, guys, you know what to do. You join Weighted Waves, and I see you inside. Thank you very much. Do not miss tomorrow's session. It will be very important.